Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lade. On today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this magic paste to help you get rid of plaque and tartar on your teeth. Here are some of the things you're going to need: some virgin coconut oil, apple cider vinegar, baking soda, 1 lemon. You're also going to need some toothpaste and of course a toothbrush. You're going to need some foil paper sheets and then a mixing bowl. Begin by adding 2 teaspoons of the baking soda into the mixing bowl. You're going to need an equal amount of the lemon juice. So I just cut the lemon in half and then I take one of the halves and squeeze into the baking soda. Baking soda, otherwise known as sodium bicarbonate, is a type of salt. It's a very strong whitening agent that is kind of fine in texture. It mostly is used for baking, but in this case you can use it as a mouthwash or cleaning agent because the particles can go deep into clean the parts that toothbrushes cannot reach. The lemon will be for freshness of breath. As you can see, when I put the lemon, there's like a bubbly thing going on with the lemon and baking soda, so the lemon will help you with freshness of breath. Also just going to squeeze a pea-sized amount of toothpaste and add to the mixture. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons as well of apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar helps to whiten the teeth, it helps to clean bacteria in the mouth, and it also helps to remove plaque. That's the build up of the yellow sticky thing on your teeth. Next, you're just going to mix until everything is well combined. I'm not satisfied with the consistency, so I added just a little bit more baking soda so that it's not too runny. Now it's time for the application. Take a sheet of foil and fold to give you almost the size of your teeth. So I'm still going to fold this into half so that I can wrap the whole fluid around the teeth. Just watch what I'm doing and you'll understand. I'm going to take the foil that I've put aside. I'm going to divide it into half like so, and then I'm going to put the mixture into the foil. Just put a little bit and be careful so it doesn't like spill away before applying to your teeth. So today my husband has volunteered to help me with this video. He actually didn't volunteer, he forced himself on this chair. I was trying to focus and then he came all of a sudden and wanted me to do it for him. So I just took the foil with the content in it and then applied it to his teeth, both the top and bottom, and it wasn't as fun as he thought it was going to be, so we just messed around. But I applied it on both the top and the bottom. I left it on for about 2 minutes and then it's time to take it out and use the same mixture to brush for at least 2 minutes as well. Hi guys!
Hi!
Welcome to my channel. My name is Lade and this is John. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let me know in the comment section if you tried and how the results were. How did you like it?
I think there's a difference and my mouth feels very fresh.
Okay,
now we put myself into this problem.
yes, because I was filming it and by the time I filmed the procedure, I put the chair and I was trying to get the camera to focus. So he was just coming out and I was like, oh perfect, come and sit down, let me use you to focus, and he was like, do it for me. So that's how I ended up doing it for him. Hey, look who's here! Look who's, you wanna be in the video? Look who just woke up. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe.